In this video I will be showing you how to construct angle 60 degree. First we need to draw a line. In order to construct angle 60 degree, therefore I will indicate a point on this line. I will also cut an arc this way. With the same radius, I will cut another arc this way. Finally, I will complete the drawing. Your colleagues will appreciate you if you share this video with them. My WhatsApp number is displayed on the screen. You can always message me whenever you are having a question or an assignment, and immediately, I will send a video of the solution to you for free.